Struggling with snoring? Your pillow might be the problem. In this video, we review the top 5 best pillows for snoring to help you and your partner get a better night's sleep. Let's start in this video with the top 5 best pillows for snoring.
Number 1.
This pillow is filled with a blend of memory foam pieces and microfiber clusters, offering the perfect balance of plushness and firmness. Its adjustable height allows you to customize the fill, making it comfortable and supportive for every sleeping position. It even outperformed dozens of other pillows, including ones significantly more expensive. How it performed in our tests. Sleep testing. Our panel of at-home testers rated this pillow highly across the board, unanimously agreeing it outperformed their previous pillows and significantly improved their sleep quality. One shared, "It wraps around my head, and I sink into it," while another noted, "I can comfortably switch from side to back to stomach and still feel supported and comfortable." Performance. One of the standout features of this pillow is its ability to quickly regain its shape during our lab's pressure tests, indicating its durability and reliability for everyday use. Durability. Unlike most shredded memory foam pillows, this one is fully machine washable, including both the cover and the fill. After 5 cycles of washing and drying, it showed no signs of shrinkage. However, the cover did develop some pilling over time, which is typical for a polyester/rayon fabric blend. Pros. Hybrid fill is supportive yet cozy. Adjustable for multiple sleep positions. Good shape retention. Cons. Outer cover pills over time.
Number 2.
The Tempur-Pedic TEMPUR-Ergo Neck Pillow supports your neck to help relieve muscle tension. Its firm yet flexible foam molds to your shape, keeping your head, neck, and spine aligned. The soft, hypoallergenic cover is easy to wash. This pillow comes in small, medium, and large sizes. You can check the brand's website for a size chart. It is not recommended for stomach sleepers. Tempur-Pedic does not offer a trial period, but the pillow comes with a 5-year limited warranty. Pros. Heavy checkmark 3 sizes for different sleep positions. Heavy checkmark keeps its shape. Heavy checkmark extra neck support. Cons. Not for stomach sleepers.
Number 3.
This is my favorite pillow. I sleep in different positions, and it feels soft yet supportive. The shredded memory foam and fluffy Kapok create a great balance. Since it's adjustable and not too firm, it works well for stomach and back sleepers. A pillow that is too high or too hard can push your neck into an awkward position. How it performed in tests. Heavy checkmark sleep testing. Testers loved this pillow. They gave it top scores for comfort and support. Many woke up feeling great. One tester even stopped using 2 pillows after switching to this one. Heavy checkmark performance. Even though it's plush, it bounced back quickly in our tests. We placed weights on it to mimic a head resting on it overnight, and it kept its shape. Just note, the gray pattern on the cover may show through light-colored pillowcases. Heavy check-marked durability. You must remove all the fill before washing the cover. This can be tricky, so we suggest using a pillow protector to keep it clean and in good shape over time. Pros. Heavy checkmark soft and supportive foam. Heavy checkmark holds its shape well. Heavy checkmark works for different sleep positions. Cons. Crossmark gray pattern may show through pillowcases.
Number 4.
This pillow is an Amazon bestseller, and based on our extensive testing, it absolutely lives up to the hype, all for about $25 per pillow. While it's a simple design and may lack the luxury of higher-end models, it performed exceptionally well and costs a fraction of the price of others. This one features a 100% cotton outer cover, giving it a more elevated look and feel. Users agreed that it is soft and fluffy, great for those who prefer sleeping on their stomach or back. They appreciated that the filling was evenly distributed without any clumping. One user said, "The down alternative filling is so fluffy and cushioned, yet still supportive." On the other hand, some mentioned that it might not be supportive enough for their needs. It was preferred more by combination sleepers, i.e., those who sleep on their stomach, back, and sides. Performance. During our pressure tests, the pillow maintained its shape without flattening out. It fits perfectly in a standard size pillowcase. Since it's sold in a set of 2, this pick is ideal for outfitting a guest bed. Durability, it uses a down alternative fill, which is perfect for easy care. It's machine washable and dryer safe at a lower cost. Our evaluations showed minimal shrinkage after 5 wash and dry cycles, though it did show some loose threads and puckering. Pros. Great price for a set of 2. Soft and fluffy. Filling was clump resistant in at-home tests. Cons. Side sleepers said they wished it felt more supportive.
Number 5.
This pillow is great for side sleepers who need better support. Unlike regular pillows, it fills the space between your neck and shoulder. It is 5 inches tall, making it ideal for people 5 feet 3 inches to 6 feet 4 inches. If you sleep hot, try the ice cube version with a cool cover. Test results. Heavy checkmarks, comfort. Testers loved how it improved neck support. One said, "It holds my head up well." Another added, "My neck feels fully supported." It is best for side sleepers but may feel too tall for stomach or back sleepers. Heavy checkmark performance. The foam bounced back fast after pressure. It also kept its shape overnight. It fits a standard pillowcase but may stick out a little. The brand offers a soft, stretchy case that fits perfectly. Heavy checkmarked durability. Only the cover is washable, not dryer safe. The brand suggests air drying. After washing, the cover didn't shrink, but showed some fuzz and pilling. Pros. A unique shape helps keep the neck aligned. The foam stays firm under pressure. Works for many body heights. Cons. It's not great for people who move a lot in sleep.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.